So here's why almost every beautiful girl has a few unattractive friends. There's something called the ugly friend effect. So when you're in the company of your less attractive friends, you look more attractive to strangers by comparison. Simply put, ugly friends make you look good. But here's the thing, beauty is subjective, and that's why we always say it's in the eyes of the beholder. I'll use this analogy. Let's say I have a red Mazda CX-5. Nice car, right? But when it's parked next to a Mercedes-Benz or a Range Rover Autobiography, it doesn't look so nice. The Range Rover will grab everyone's attention. But when the CX-5 is parked next to a Toyota Allion, then no one notices the Allion. By comparison, the CX-5 looks better and attracts all attention. So the CX-5 wouldn't like to be parked next to the Range. Same way, attractive girls want to go out and receive attention without too much competition. So that's just a simple analogy to try and explain the ugly friend effect. Contrast is key. In one setting, you might be the attractive one, but in another setting you may be the not so attractive friend. Let me know what you think about this effect, and as always, ladies,